Can you over practice? Can you play so much that you actually lose your skills in the process? I've done that a thousand times where I'm practicing, and it suddenly seems that I'm getting worse at what I'm trying to learn. But there's no over practicing. And more importantly, there's no practicing if you do the thing you want to do and you're not making a ton of mistakes all the time. There's no practicing and doing repetitive work without progress. So you might feel that, hey, I'm on a plateau, I haven't developed for a month, but are you doing the same exercises? Yes, I am. I'm doing the sequences, but I'm not getting any faster. Yes, you are, but you can't see the result yet. Sometimes you have so many repetitions in what you do, and I hope those are perfect repetitions, that you're not, making a ton of mistakes because you're pushing for speed. But if those are perfect repetitions, 99.999% of them, then you make progress. You are making progress. So if you pick up your guitar, play something 10 times, then you made progress. It's simply not, that's how the brain works, period. But the brain also tests you. And then it doesn't make progress for a while, not because there's some brain in there with a trying to test you, but that's how it feels. And what you have to do is just keep pushing, keep doing the same thing, because you cannot make a repetition of anything without making progress. It's just delayed. It's lag time. I can't tell you how many times I've been practicing something and then, and today I'm not getting depressed about it because I know what's going on. But then I used to say, hey, I've been practicing this for 2 months and I'm not, if I don't make more progress than this for 2 months, the next 2 months, then I'm never going to learn. It's going to take me 20 years. But then I don't do it. I stop practicing it. And 1 month after, it's like, whoa, I've gotten so much better at that. Because time is part of the equation. If you practice something and you over practice, you put in so many repetitions that the brain simply cannot digest everything you do, then just you wait and see what happens over time. So don't get discouraged if you reach a plateau of no development, even though you're doing the same thing over and over again. It's just your development, the actual results that you want, is just in lag time. It's just as simple as that. So remember, you cannot make a repetition of something without getting better. Whether you feel it or not in the moment is a different story. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, go download the free course, and see you in the next video here coming up on the screen.